Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. I've got another update on the Norwegian Epic. Today's date, February the 18th, 2019. Now, this ship arrived back in Port Canaveral Saturday, 2 days ago, February the 16th, after a 7-day cruise. She was supposed to do another 7-day cruise starting Saturday, but that got waylaid when she had all kinds of mechanical problems with her engines and she ran into the pier in San Juan, Puerto Rico, causing a couple of gashes. There's one of them right there. The cruise line insists this will not impair the safety of the ship. In the meantime, we're going to zoom in here on the back of these two smokestacks. You see those smokestacks there? As we zoom in, you'll notice there's a rock climbing wall back there. Just found out that the cruise line announced to all the passengers that the rock climbing wall will be closed down for the entire 5 days of this cruise. There's another little area here known as the mini golf splash zone for the little kids. That has also been shut down for the full 5 days. Passengers have just found out, they had no idea when they boarded the ship that this was going to happen. Why are they shutting these areas down? The story goes, a major upgrade to the scrubber emission systems is going to be performed on this 5-day cruise. There are a whole bunch of mechanics who've been brought in here. They're going to be ripping apart the smokestack area to upgrade the scrubber systems. Now, that has to mean some of the engines will be offline. There's no way you can have all the engines going with all the exhaust going up into the air if you shut down one of these two massive smokestacks. We don't know what's going to happen here. The ship has got a 5-day cruise in the Caribbean area. Passengers have no idea that this is going to happen. Now this is happening. It looks like a partial maintenance type construction cruise. We'll stay on top of this story and see what happens. No additional compensation has been offered at this point. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturdays at 2, and we'll stay on top of this story. Subscribe today and hit that bell notification icon for the latest updates. We'll talk to you soon, everybody. Bye for now.